At the download center, the cameras and time frames you have selected in record playback will appear as timelines. You can now click on the timeline at the beginning of where you would like to start, and a highlighted section will appear as you drag the cursor along the timeline. When you reach the point that you would like to end, click again to stop highlighting the timeline. Now, a dialog box should appear to begin the download. You will want to choose MP4 under the Format drop-down box and then select OK. The download will now begin in the bottom portion of the window. After the download finishes, in most cases, the download will end up in the file path C:/DSS/client/record. Once you have navigated to this section, you will see your files and can start viewing your selected video clips.